Hello everyone, I'm Jay sir from DSA EDU-TECH. Today I'll teach you coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is nothing but it is a branch of mathematics which shows the relation between the geometry and algebra. So we can say in short, it is a study of geometry by the means of algebra. So in this chapter we are going to learn few topics. It's quite simple topic. The topic number 1 is distance formula. Distance formula. So we will learn how to find distance between 2 points. Anyhow, I'll explain you the basic also. I'll just go through the basic so that it would be recap for every one of us. And the second what we are going to learn is section formula. So it is called section formula. So third is area of triangle. Area of triangle. Now, there are formulas for all these topics. There is a formula to find the distance. There is a formula for section. There is a formula for area of triangle. Before we go to the actual formula, let me revise or remind ourselves some basic. We know there are two type of axes. The horizontal line we call x-axis, we all know, right? And the vertical line we call y-axis, and where the x-axis and the y-axis cross each other, that we call origin. Now what are we doing? As I said, definition, it is a symbolic relationship between the geometry and the algebra, right? So let me take 2 points in this quadrant. We know there are 4 quadrants, right? Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and 4. We know all these things. So if I take 2 points in the quadrant, let me name this point A and B. If I ask you to find the distance between these 2 points, do you have any idea? No issue. So by using the distance formula, we can easily find the distance between the point A and B. So A will have the 2 value, right? A will have the x and y, and B will also have the x and y value. So x quadrant and y quadrant value. So I'll call, as there are the x and y both has a different values, I'll name as an x1, y1, x2, y2. Distance formula is d is equal to root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We know that we are going to find the distance between the 2 points. So let me consider the point number 1 and point number 2. So I have named as an A and B. As it is coordinate, we'll have the x and y value. So I'm getting here x1, y1, x2, y2. Let us take some number. The point 1 is 2, 3 and the point B. Point A is 2, 3 and point B is 4, 5. It could be any number, minus, plus, 0, anything. x1 is 2 now, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, y2 is 5. If I ask you to find the distance between A and B, you can use the distance formula. That is, AB is equal to root under the given formula. Replace the respective value of x1, y1, x2, y2 and you can find the distance very easily. So let me solve few problems which they may ask in your final exam. And by solving the few problems, we will understand this method in details. So let me write the problem number 1. First problem is find the distance between the points 2, minus 3 and 4, minus 6. We all are aware of the distance formula. Only we don't know how to solve the problem. So let us solve here. Solution. What is the points value? First point is 2 comma minus 3 and second point is 4 comma minus 6. So we know that first point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2, and the distance formula is d equal root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now what you need to do is just have to replace x value and y value. You can solve it. So root will remain as it is. We are going to replace x2. What is x2? 4. So instead of x2 I am going to write 4 minus x1. So minus will remain as it is. What is x1? 2. So I wrote 2 whole square plus y2. What is y2 here? Minus 6. Minus 6 minus as it is in the formula. Y1 is how much? Minus 3. So minus 3 I wrote whole square. Clear? We'll proceed further. We know the Bott-Barash rule, right? Here inside the bracket we have to simplify first. So 4 minus 2 is 2 whole square plus minus 6. Minus into minus is plus. So this number will become plus 3 whole square. Next is, we know that square root of 2 is 4. That is a 2 2s are 4 plus minus 3, plus 3 and minus 6. Whenever you need to add them or subtract them, one is plus, one is minus. We always subtract them and we take the greater number or the larger number sign. So minus plus means minus. 6 minus 3 is 3. Which number is a greater here? 6. What is the sign of 6? Minus. So this number become minus 3 whole square. Let us continue here. So d equal root under 4 as it is plus minus 3 square. Minus 3 square is nothing but minus 3 into minus 3. So minus into minus plus 3 into 3 9. So we are going to get minus 3 whole square plus 9. So plus 9. D equal root under, we need to add them now. 4 plus 9 is 13. So it becomes 13. D is equal to root 13. We can also write this as an D is equal to root 13 units. As it is a physical quantity, we can write this as an in the terms of units. So we got distance. When the point value is 2 comma minus 3, 4 comma minus 6, then the distance will be root under 13. Hope you understood. So similar type of few more problems I'll solve so that we can understand still more. So this is the third problem with respect to distance formula. Problem is simple. Check whether point number 1, 2 and 3 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So we know what is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles are those triangles in which the two sides are equal. So let me take the point. Let the points be, I'll give some name to these points. So my point number A is 5 comma minus 2, point number B is 6 comma 4 and point C is 7 comma minus 2. For isosceles triangle, condition is AB should be equal to BC and it shouldn't be equal to CA. So what we are going to do here, we are going to find the distance between the AB, then we'll find the distance between the BC, and then again we find the distance between the CA. And after finding the distance between all these points, we will compare this condition. If condition is matching, that is AB is equal to BC and it is not equal to CA, then it is an isosceles triangle. If it is not, this condition is not matching, then it is not an isosceles triangle. Simple. So let me find first AB. AB, root under x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. We are aware of this distance formula, right? So I am going to find the distance between A and B. My first point is A and second point is B. So my first point will be x1, y1, x2, y2. And this x1, y1, x2, y2 I am going to replace in my AB. That is in my AB distance formula. AB equal root under x2 is how much? 6. x1 is how much? 5 whole square plus y2 is how much? What is the value of y2? 4 minus of minus 2. y1 is minus 2. So minus of minus 2 I wrote. This minus is from formula and this minus 2 is the y1 value. Now 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1 square plus 4 minus into minus is plus. So plus 2 whole square. Now I can write 1 square is nothing but 1 only. You multiply 1 with 1 any number of time. It remains 1. So I'll write 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 square is 36. So this becomes 36. So AB equals root under 1 plus 36 is how much? 37. So I got AB as an 37. Now next what I have to find out? BC. Let me take BC equal root under x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Whole square it is. Now I'll erase this. I'll rewrite this number because my first number is B and my second number is C. So first number will have the x1 y1 and the second number will have x2 y2. Now again I'll replace. BC equal root under x2 is what? 7. So 7 minus x1 is 6 whole square plus y2 is minus 2 minus y1 is 4. So 4 whole square. Now BC equal root under 7 minus 6 is how much? 1 square. 1 square plus minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. When the both is minus, we add them with same sign. So minus 6 square. Now BC equal root under 1 square is 1 only. Minus 6 square is minus 6 into minus 6. So minus 6 into minus 6 is 36 plus 36 plus 36. BC equal root under 1 plus 36 is 37. So 37 we got. Next what should we have to find out? CA. CA equal root under same formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Extend the square root. Again I'll erase this because the points have changed now. This is the first point, C is the first point and A is the second point. So C will have the x1 y1 value and the A will have x2 y2. Clear? CA equal, even if you don't write CA every time it's okay, you can just put equal sign. Root under x2 is 5. Good. x2 is 5 minus x1 is 7. So 7 whole square plus y2 is minus 2. So root minus 2 minus y1 is minus 2. So minus of minus 2 whole square. Right. x1 is 7. So I wrote 7. x2 is 5. So I write 5. x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1. Now root under 5 minus 7 is minus 2. When there is 1 plus 1 minus, then we subtract them and we take the greater number sign. So 7 is a greater number. Minus 2 whole square plus minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2. So plus 2 whole square. Minus 2 plus 2 will cancel each other. We'll get 0. So we have got here value of minus 2 square. Minus 2 square is minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. So I wrote plus 4. Plus minus 2 plus 2 cancel. 0. 0 square is 0 only. So 0, which is nothing but 4 plus 0 is 4. Now we need to check the condition. Is it AB is equal to BC and is that is not equal to CA? So if you observe properly, AB is root 37, BC is root 37 and CA is root 4. Root 4 can also be written as 2. So that is 2 2s are. If you want, I'll write one more step. 2 is square root cancel, so it will become 2. CA is 2. Go to the condition. AB is equal to BC not equal to CA. As AB is equal to BC is not equal to CA, given vertices are of an isosceles triangle. As AB is equal to BC and that is not equal to CA, the given vertices are of an isosceles triangle. So hope you people have understood. Now if I can give you any point, you can find the distance between them easily, right?